So you're looking for a quality home that qualifies for a down payment assistance here in the Charlotte area? Well, in this video, I take you through a community and 2 home tours, and one of the properties qualify for down payment assistance from $10,000 upwards to $30,000+. Stick around. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me, I appreciate you for continuing to support the channel. I'm Sir Ashley, a realtor and investor here in the greater Charlotte area. And if you want to know everything about living in Charlotte, North Carolina, then subscribe to this channel. On this channel, we also talk about real estate as a whole and personal finance. So if you're interested in any one of those things, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Now, let me share with you one of Charlotte's best kept secrets in terms of new construction in the city limits of Charlotte that offer homes as low as $300,000 that qualifies for down payment assistance programs. So if you're interested in buying or selling real estate in North or South Carolina, be sure to contact my team and I. We would love to guide you through the process and make sure you're in the best position possible. Now, let's go take a look at this community. Now, this community is Aveline at Coulwood. It's located in Northwest Charlotte. It's about 5 minutes from downtown Mount Holly and Belmont. It's a quaint community, not a lot of homes. The floor plans range anywhere from just upwards of 1,650 square feet all the way to just under 2,200 square feet. Now, before we go into this home, I want to share with you that there are 3 different floor plans: the Murphy, the Sadler, and the Walden. We're going to look at the Walden first. That is a 3-level single-family home. And then we're going to go take a look at the Murphy floor plan, which qualifies for down payment assistance. These homes come with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a 1-car garage or a 2-car garage. Now, what you may not notice just based on looking at the home, the siding of this home is a durable fiber cement siding, which lasts much longer than vinyl and easier to maintain and care for. Now let's go tour this home. When you come in, before you access the open living room, kitchen area, you do have a half bath and a 2-car garage in this Walden floor plan. Now, the countertops in this model is quartz. All the homes will come either with a quartz countertop or a granite countertop. Now, even though this floor plan does not qualify for the down payment assistance, I do have access to some lenders that can get you 100% financing. Be sure to reach out to us so we can connect you with the right people and put you in the best position possible. Now, this community is located just inside the I-85 loop. It's about 7 minutes away from the Riverbend Village. Newly constructed, has all your grocery shopping, has your Walmart, the largest Harris Teeter on the East Coast, as well as other restaurants and just fun activities to do. Now, I'm not sure how often you look at homes in this price point in the Charlotte area, but you get distinct features in this home that you do not typically get in this price point. Under $400,000, you saw the owner suite, you had a water closet. That typically doesn't happen until you get to around $450,000 or $500,000. Take a look. This is your third floor loft area. Absolutely huge. Also, in this price point, you typically don't get 3 levels. You have the main living area, the area with the bedrooms, and then the floor just for entertaining, the loft area. Now we're about to go look at the Murphy floor plan. This Murphy floor plan is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1642 square feet with a 1-car garage. And this floor plan does qualify for down payment assistance through House Charlotte and other programs. Now, this is an active construction site, so no, all the finishes are not completed. You see, we have tons of workers right here trying to get this home ready for the market. But that is why I showed you that first home, so you can be familiar with the finishes that this builder provides. When you came in, you had a coat closet. This is your half bathroom downstairs. Again, this is a construction site. There is no electricity just yet. Very open living downstairs. This is your white cabinetry with a granite countertop, where the first home you saw the gray cabinetry with the quartz countertop. This is your 1-car garage. Now let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. Again, it is unfinished. This is a work in progress. We just looked at the laundry closet. This is bedroom number 1. About to head into bedroom number 2. Again, $300,000 right now. You don't have to use down payment assistance programs, but this home is eligible if you need to. This is your general bathroom. It is dark in there. It had a granite vanity as well as a tub shower combination. We're in the owner suite where you have 2 walk-in closets. And the owner's bathroom. Look how large that vanity is. Now we saw 2 of the 3 available floor plans. Now the pricing goes like this. The Murphy starts off at $300,000. That's eligible for different down payment assistance programs. And then you have the Sadler, which is the middle child. Those typically go around $330,000, $335,000. And with that floor plan, you may not qualify for down payment assistance, but as I said in the video, you do have other options with 100% finance loans. Please contact my team and I so we can put you in contact with the right people. And then you have that first floor plan that I showed you, the Walden. That's about $385,000, and that has 3 levels. You do not get 3 levels in any home in Charlotte or within 20 miles of Charlotte at this price point. So I hope you got some value out of this and saw what is possible if you do have a limited budget or if you just don't want to spend a ton of money. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the page, and share this video with other friends and colleagues who you think this might be beneficial to. I'm Sir Ashley. I will talk to you soon.